All rise. In the matter of Regina versus Lily Smith, the Honorable K-9 presiding.
Can you believe this gig I landed? Pretty sweet for your boy K9. Okay, here's the lowdown. See that girl there? That's Lily Smith. She pleaded guilty to 6, count 'em, 6 counts of arson. You know the peeps who get a little trigger happy with matches? Anyway, she sets fire outside GM Place, and although she now lives in Burnaby, she is an Aboriginal member of the Bella Bella community and of the Chilcotin Band. She plays bass. Just kidding. But here's the trip. I'm gonna hand over my hammer to you. You listen to what everyone has to say, and you decide what sentence Lily should get. You are the judge, not me. I get stage fright anyhow. Here you go.
Your Honor, on the evening of Halloween, Lily Smith had a chance encounter with her former boyfriend, JT. She was invited back to his place, where the two consumed a large amount of alcohol. After that, JT boasted that he was going to set fire to cars in the parking lot of General Motors Place. When Lily asked why, he simply answered, "To watch them burn." He invited Lily to go along with him. They took with them a large plastic container of gasoline from JT's storage. They indeed went to the parking lot and set fire to 6 cars, destroying them. When she was caught, Lily never denied that she had committed the crime and entered a guilty plea.
This is where you would say, Defense counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm asking this court to impose an intensive support and supervision program order.
Huh? Don't worry, I'll crack the code for you.
This is an order sanctioned under the Youth Criminal Justice Act.
The book that has all the rules for us young punks?
What this means is that Lily would serve her sentence under supervision in the community.
Lily could walk the streets like you and me, being watched by the good citizens of her community.
And would not be placed in custody.
No jail!
I am submitting to the court a series of letters from the Chilcotin Tribal Council. These letters describe the work of the Chilcotin Community Justice Program. The council has its own community justice program with counseling services and probation caseworkers. The program emphasizes healing and restoring the offender to the community. Your Honor, I'm also submitting a letter from Noreen Smith, Lily's grandmother, indicating that she wants to take care of Lily and have her live with her.
What to do, what to do. And it's your call. Will you ignore this chick's recommendations? Or will you give Lily a sentence in the community? Come on, hurry. You've got 5 seconds to decide. Too late. Listen to K9's ruling. Based on the information provided by the defense counsel, that chick who spoke second, I'm satisfied that there are resources available to make sure Lily's sentence could be properly supervised in the community. All hail King K9! Based on what both lawyers said, I'm convinced that there are enough resources, places Lily can go, people who can help her, to be certain that Lily can serve her sentence in the community. I mean, she will be supervised after all. I have concluded that a ISSP order is a fit sentence for Lily Smith. Good night, Vancouver! Remember us talking about the Youth Criminal Justice Act? And how could you not? It's riveting stuff. Anyway, it has specific guidelines when sentencing Aboriginal youth offenders. So, the court has to take into consideration any factors that could help explain why they did what they did. Factors like low income, poor housing, lack of education, loneliness, addictions, and stress in general. And for Lily, it turns out a lot of these factors apply to her case. When the crimes happened, Lily's sister was in the hospital for treatment, meaning Lily was left home by herself. In Lily's case, the judge thought about all of this and gave her an ISSP order with some conditions. These conditions include to report and reside and attend and cooperate with the conditions set out in the ISSP program. She's not to consume alcohol or other intoxicating bevies. She's got to go to any program recommended by her community justice program supervisor. That's the person looking out for her, including some FaceTime with a life skills instructor and a personal counselor for 6 months. She also must take part in any healing or cultural ceremony suggested by the program, and under the watchful eyes of the community elders. Aboriginal youth have struggles just like everyone else, and they must be taken into account when they're sentenced. Makes sense, right? Because way too many Aboriginal peeps have ended up in jail in the past.